Hello everybody, it is the Conservative Coin Collector. Welcome back to my channel. And the new year was a couple of days ago. And I decided, new year, new me. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to clean my bed. And I took care of everything that was not coin related already. And sure, most of the stuff I have in my bed is coin related. Everything from my current world coins that I have to stuff in containers that did not used to hold coins. But before I get started, I want to show you a Christmas ornament I got this year for Christmas. It's, of course, it's Trump with his fist in the air and saying, "Fight, fight." And, of course, it just so happens to be the picture where he got shot in the face. I like him holding up his fist in the air and saying, "Fight, be brave." I just wish it was under better circumstances. But, the running in my family was nothing says Christmas than a guy getting shot in the face. But, Christmas ornament aside, I'll just put that over there. I have the rest of my coins. I'm going to organize them into loose coins, coins and flaps. So that's going to take a second. So I got to do that. Hold on. Now that my coins are organized, I'll cover the loose stuff first. And it's mostly just junk silver. Which it's really weird to call it junk because silver is anything but junk. And a braided hair Cornet large penny that I got for Christmas this year. It says 1 cent. You see, before pennies were the size of what they are today, they were the size of roughly $1/2 today. It's pretty dang cool. And these pennies were made of 100% copper almost. So whatever copper is, this penny is that when it comes to value. And then, of course, there's the value of being a large cent, the date, and everything that goes into that. And same with the silver. These are just some 1 troy ounce silver rounds. Nothing too fancy to write home about. They're about $30, $31, $32, $33 right now. And I have a couple of non-silver rounds. I have a Morgan dollar and a 1958 dime, which are 90% silver versus 99.999% silver. More silver in 1 troy ounce of silver than a Morgan dollar, but if you take a look, they're actually about the same size. I'd say the silver round is maybe slightly bigger. But all those loose coins are going in the Philadelphia cream cheese container. Some may be going in the Mentos gum container, but I'm going to do my best to try to get rid of one of these containers, and it's probably going to be this one. What I'm going to do is dump out the Mentos gum container here. And I'm not going to dump out the cream cheese container because there's already so much in it. And the goal is to fill the cream cheese container probably to the brim. I don't know. But in the gum container, I had an $8, a no cash value, maybe casino token. This looks foreign. This looks like it's a silver. This looks like it's a silver round. Yep. That is 1 troy ounce of silver. Buffalo nickel, some Canadians. Wheat penny, which I could put in my wheat penny jar. I don't even need that there. And a 1967 40% silver $1/2. All that is getting put in the cream cheese container. And being I just got it so recently, I feel bad putting the large penny in with all the, I guess in with the crowd. I don't think I'm going to do that, but it's also going to take time to flap it. So I'm going to have to think about what I'm going to do with my large cent here. Here I have a penny book. Nothing too special about it, just my penny book. World coin sack. And this, I got this silver round from my grandma. Again, Trump related. It's 2017. So this must have been from his first term, which makes sense because he was elected in 2016 and January 2017 was the first term there. Got a 1903 Indian head. This is one of a newer coin that I got as a 1960D Ben Franklin $half. It's in surprisingly good shape. Again, the coin is only 60 years old, and yet I've seen 5-year-old coins that are in worse shape than this. It's in pretty good condition, especially for its age and what type of coin it is. And we have a Kinsland Farthing from 1669, 1900 Barber dollar, and this is in this huge flap is a Morgan dollar, my very first Morgan dollar. A very old Constantine the Great Roman Empire coin from 330 AD, my oldest coin that I have. And that's the flap stuff. All this is going back in the selective binder. Well, this isn't. My circa 330 AD Roman coin I'm going to keep out. Just keep it as eye candy in my bed. Right, my bed is a little cleaner. A lot less stuff on it. Hopefully I can keep it that way for a while, but I guess we're gonna have to see. I'm a conservative coin collector. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, so long, YouTube.